So guys, for the first method, try pressing on your caps lock key a few times. See if that works. For the second method, we're going to head over to search and type in on-screen keyboard. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to press on caps lock and then unselect it. See if that works. For the third method, if you have a keycap pillar, then you want to remove the caps lock key from your keyboard. You want to clean all the dirt under there, put the caps lock key back in, see if that works. For the next method, you want to unplug and then plug back in your keyboard. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in run. Click on it. And now once we're on this, we're going to type in msdt.exe space -id space keyboard diagnostic and then click on enter. And now this will come up, the keyboard troubleshooter. Click on next. And now once that's been done, if it detects any problems, it will try to fix it for you. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. See if that works. You could also try using a different keyboard to see if your keyboard is actually broken or not. If it is, then just get a new one.